Welcome to the Chromebook, the new image or video screen capture tool. This is a recently added feature to Google Chrome on the Chromebook. The first thing you need to do is know the keyboard shortcut, and that is by holding the Control and the Shift key down and touching the Windows key. That's the key that is above the number 6. Once you have done that, you will get the new toolbar, and the very first choice you need to make is whether you want to take a still image, and you would click the camera one on the left, or do you want to do a video capture, and you will use the recording camera option to the right. And once you have chosen either a still image or a recording, you get to pick a full screenshot, a partial screenshot that you'll be able to control, or do you want to shoot a specific window? And your final option is under settings. This is where you would go to turn on your microphone if you want to provide some narration. And now I'm going to do Control Shift and the Windows key that is found above the number 6. I can either take a still image or a video recording. I can choose to do this whole screen. I'm going to actually use the partial screen option, but you can do a window also. Since I'm doing the partial screen option of an image, I really don't need to activate the microphone. So I'm going to click the middle button here, and I'm going to just drag, and I will get and I have to, this is new too, you have to click on the actual capture button when you have it where you want, which is nice because now I can move it around. And it saves to my downloads folder. And if I want to find that, I go to my file manager and I go into downloads and I will see my screenshot. And if I right click on that, I can rename that. And now if I do a Control Shift and the Windows key above the number 6, and this time I choose to do a video recording of a screen capture of just a specific area, and I want to narrate it, I would go and turn my microphone on, and then I could click on the window area where I wish to record. Maybe I want to adjust it. Then I can say record. And then anything that is in that window will get picked up in this screen recording. And of course, right now it is also recording my narration. And when I am done with that, I have a little stop icon down by my clock. And I will click on that, and it stopped recording it, and it saved it to my downloads folder. And if I go back to my downloads folder, I will now find my screen recording, which I can rename also. Now this is a WebM type video. It's not an MP4, so this isn't really a good one to share. Anybody with Chrome can open it, but I wouldn't rely on it to be easily opened by many people's players. Will get picked up in this screen recording. And of course, right now it is also recording my narration. So you can see how that picked up just what was happening in the area I selected. And that is the new recording option or screen capture option on a Chromebook.